about junkaholics. So I just wanted to take a quick moment to thank everyone. And the reason I'm thanking everyone, today marks um, 1 year in YouTube for Nice Junk. And I have to thank you guys, the subscribers. You guys have made this a reality and such a great experience. Um, within 1 year, I got monetized, 1,600 plus subs, met a lot of great people. Um, the support of my mom and Mrs. Junk and all my friends, as well as a lot of people I've met on YouTube. Um, the very first awesome friend I met on YouTube was Wannabe Scrapper. Um, he's also known as HH Recycling. I prefer Wannabe. Wannabe's more relaxed. HH is just like he's a stuffed shirt. Um, but then Ian Matthews is the one that actually told me to get into YouTube, and then E-Waste Mike gave me my very first shout out. But hey, there's been a lot of other people. Another really good friend of mine, Scrap It All. We have become really good buddies. And then there's Scrapman69, Scrapping on the Fly, Scrapping Junk. A lot of good channels. And I've met even other great scrappers. There's Scrapper Brad. He's brand new too, and he's been a really, really nice guy and a big supporter of the channel. So I just wanted to take this moment to thank everyone. If I missed your name, I'm so sorry. There's just so many of yous. And, you know, and please don't take any offense if I missed you. Oh, Bush Dog, Bush Dog. That's another good guy. That was an early supporter of the channel. Roger with CU Scrapping. Scrap Rodriguez. Scrap Rod. Who can forget Scrap Rod? Um, but anyways, I just want to thank you all for making my first year fantastic. A lot of accomplishments. Like I say, I'm up to 1,600 subs. I started a new channel called Motor Minds, um, which I haven't really been concentrating on, but that's more of a summertime thing. Has to do with all the cars and stuff, and I really need to wrap my head around creating content for that channel. But yeah, have a great day. Make sure you join our live tonight at 7 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. I think that's 5 o'clock Eastern. And that'll be with Wannabe and Scrap It All and whoever else decides to join in. But have a great weekend, and I've got a fantastic video for you coming tomorrow. So make sure to catch that at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard. Have a great day. Bye.